Question number 1. What is the other name of DSB repair pathway? REC BAD pathway, REC BCD pathway, REC ABD pathway, REC DCB pathway. Correct answer is option B, REC BCD pathway. Question number 2. What is branch migration? Break and reformation of identical base pairs, formation of lesion, formation of heteroduplex DNA, dissolution occurs. Correct answer is option A, break and reformation of identical base pairs. Question number 3. What is the resolution? Cleavage of Holliday junction, regeneration of duplex DNA molecule, exchange of DNA fragments, heterochromatin structure formation. Correct answer is option B, regeneration of duplex DNA molecule. Question number 4. How many processes are present to achieve a resolution? 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct answer is option B, 2. Question number 5. Which of the following promotes strand exchange? DBS formation, heteroduplex formation, strand invasion protein, branch migration. Correct answer is option C, strand invasion protein. Question number 6. Which type of DNA is connected by a Holliday junction? Homologous DNA duplex, heteroduplex DNA, mutated DNA, asymmetric DNA. Correct answer is option A, homologous DNA duplex. Question number 7. From what the splice recombination product is formed? Mutated DNA, crossover DNA, spliced DNA, recombined DNA. Correct answer is option C, spliced DNA. Question number 8. What is a crossover product? Mutated DNA, reassorted DNA, crossover DNA, spliced DNA. Correct answer is option B, reassorted DNA. Question number 9. What is the patch product? Rejoins of hybrid DNA, crossover DNA, mutated DNA, recombinant DNA. Correct answer is option A, rejoins of hybrid DNA. Question number 10. The double strand breaks the DNA cleavage enzyme generates double-stranded DNA, fragmentation, single-stranded DNA, single-stranded overhangs. Correct answer is option D, single-stranded overhangs. Question number 11. What is the gene conversion? Change in the DNA sequence, non-reciprocal step in the DSB repair pathway, break of DNA strands, branch migration. Correct answer is option B, non-reciprocal step in the DSB repair pathway. Question number 12. Rec A protein E of E. coli is involved in the process of pairing of homologous DNA, introduction of DSB, assembly of standard exchange, resolution of Holliday junction. Correct answer is option A, pairing of homologous DNA. Question number 30. Rec BCD and Rec 4 in E. coli is involved in the process assembly of strand exchange, Holliday junction recognition, introduction of DSB, resolution process. Correct answer is option A, assembly of strand exchange. Question number 40. What is the Holliday junction resolving enzyme? Rec A, RUVC, RUD52, RUD59. Correct answer is option B, RUVC. Question number 50. What are the helicase components of the Rec BCD pathway? Rec B, Rec C, Rec C, Rec D, Rec B, Rec D, Rec A, Rec B. Correct answer is option C, Rec B and Rec D. Question number 16. What is the function of Rec component? 5 to 3 days helicase activity, 3 days to 5 days helicase activity, recognize child site nucleus activity. Correct answer is option C, recognize. Correct answer is option C, Rec B and Rec D. Okay, question number 16. What is the function of Rec component? Correct answer is option C, recognize child site. Question number 70. What are the two components of REC-BCD pathway involved as motor parts? Rec B, Rec D, Rec B, Rec C, Rec B, Rec A, Rec C, Rec D. Correct answer is option A. Rec B and Rec D are the component of REC-BCD pathway involved as a motor parts. Question number 80. What is the speed of driving of the REC-BCD along the DNA? More than 2000 base per second, more than 1000 base per second, more than 200 base per second, more than 100 base per second. Correct answer is option B, more than 1000 base pair per second. Question number 90. If the foreign DNA leak the child site, what will happen? Child site of DNA will destroyed. Foreign DNA is not affected. Foreign DNA easily enters the cell. DNA sequence will interact as previous. Correct answer is option C. Foreign DNA easily enters the cell. Question number 20. Homologous DNA recombination in prokaryotes take place for increasing variability, repair, incorporation of gene, taking up a plasmid from media. Correct answer is option B, repair.